Do you want to learn how to invest in real estate? Do you think you can't invest in real estate because you have little or no money? Well, I'm here to tell you that yes, you can invest in real estate with absolutely no money, especially if you're completely new to real estate and you're a beginner. Not only can I teach you how to make money investing in real estate with no money, but I can also teach you how to find the best deals that no one else knows about. You might have thought that you can find good deals on the MLS or through a real estate agent. Forget about that. Even foreclosure auctions, you can't get good deals because the hedge funds are buying up everything and paying entirely too much. I've been a real estate investor since 1986 and a real estate investing coach for over 30 years. One time I had a lady come up to me at one of my events, and she said she had just got laid off from her job. She was making $60,000 a year. She asked me, if I take your training, can you guarantee I'll make $60,000 a year? I said, it depends on how good you are at following directions. I can guarantee that if you don't follow my directions, you won't make $60,000 a year. She signed up for the training and did 4 deals in one neighborhood. She wholesaled the first 3, making $57,000. And then she rehabbed the 4th deal and made $80,000. That's a total of $137,000 in her first year, and it was all in one neighborhood. If you want to learn how to make huge profits wholesaling, flipping homes, or rentals, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll have new content every week for free that can help you get started and grow your knowledge of investing in real estate. You can also visit my website at TonyYoungsCoaching.com, where I hold a live, in-depth, 1-hour training session with Q&A at the end. And it's only $97 a month. I also do all-day training classes once a month on a Saturday. So if you want to learn all about how you can make money investing in real estate, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm Tony Youngs. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon.